Campi Flegrei enters. Critical point. Italy's supervolcano heats up, and Naples is under threat. Geological activity in the Campi Flegrei region, one of the world's most dangerous supervolcanoes, has shown a significant increase that has caught the attention of scientists. Located just west of Naples, this massive volcanic system has again exhibited unstable activity patterns, indicating significant changes in its subsurface structure. In recent months, the region has been rocked by a 4.4 magnitude earthquake, the strongest recorded in 4 decades. Furthermore, more than 3,000 small tremors have occurred in just 6 months, indicating increasing tension beneath the surface. This increase is far outside the normal seismic patterns typically observed at Campi Flegrei. Recent data from the Italian National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology, INGV, shows extremely high carbon dioxide emissions, reaching 4,000 to 5,000 tons per day. This gas surge indicates intense heating of rocks and fluids at depth, which could be due to magma movement or large-scale hydrothermal interactions. Subsurface pressure also continues to increase, as cessation or uplift, the lifting of the Earth's surface, indicates the accumulation of energy in the magmatic system. Some geological indicators place the magma just a few kilometers below the surface, a distance close enough to cause abrupt changes if pressure increases further. Campi Flegrei's proximity to the city of Naples, with a population of over 4 million, makes this phenomenon a significant threat to public safety. If activity escalates to an eruptive phase, the impacts could include volcanic ash plumes, pyroclastic flows, and energy and infrastructure disruptions that could paralyze the metropolitan area. Recent geological research has re-elucidated the scale of past major eruptions, including the Maddaloni X6 eruption of approximately 109,000 years ago, which produced an extraordinary amount of ash deposits. This reconstruction suggests that the potential hazard zone may extend beyond current estimates, reinforcing the urgency of long-term monitoring. With increasing levels of various geological indicators, from seismicity and gas emissions to ground-based eruptions, scientists emphasize the need for continued observation and improved preparedness. While there are no definitive signs that an eruption is imminent, the consistent pattern of changes suggests that the Campi Flegrei system is in a sensitive phase that requires greater scientific attention and mitigation policies.